In this video, we will show you how to exchange the working chamber door gasket of your E5. Have the following items ready: a spare gasket, a cleaning cloth, and a wire cutter. Open the working chamber door. Pull off the existing working chamber door gasket. Start at the gap at the top of the gasket. Clean the surface on which the gasket is placed with the cleaning cloth. First, rotate the spare gasket as shown in the video so that the padding faces outward. Then, align the left end of the spare gasket in the middle of the top edge. Start clamping the spare gasket onto the edge as shown in the video. Make sure that the entire gasket clamps tightly against the edge, especially in the corners of the opening to the working chamber. When you get back to the starting point, cut off the gasket with a small overhang of 2 to 3 mm using the wire cutter. Pull both ends off a little, align them as shown and clamp both ends to the edge so that there is no gap. Check whether the working chamber door opens and closes properly. Also check whether the working chamber door lies flat. If one of these points don't apply, adjust the placement of the gasket. For the complete operating instructions, visit dentalportal.info/E5. We hope that this was helpful. Thank you for watching.